base of support. Base of support. Base of support. So, what is the base of support and how it is related to stability? And how it is related to stability? If the base of support, is more, stability also more. Stability will be more. If the base of support is less, then stability will be less. Then there is a less stability. Okay. Base of support means, what is base of support? Suppose, see here one female, she is standing there, she was standing there. Here she lifted her one leg in this pattern and hand also. Here this hand she didn't touch. This hand she is not touching the table. Suppose if this hand she is not touching the table, she is in contact with ground. She is in contact with ground only with one leg. Base of support means the object. Here imagine the object. Here this female, the object which is in contact with the ground, that we can say it as base of support. On which base it is in this position, here on this base. Now for this person, center of gravity will be here. If you draw a line, center of gravity line, it will come like this. It will come like this. So here center of gravity is away from here. Center of gravity is away from the line of gravity. Line of gravity is away from the base of the support. Suppose if line of gravity comes away from the base of support, then the stability of that object will be less. Then the object will fall. Suppose if this female, if she is touching this table, then here this table is having base of support, this one leg and one leg, two legs. Table is having one leg and two legs. This complete two leg surrounding space is the base of support of this table. So now this person is touching the table, so that this person also will enter inside the base of support of that table. So that if the LOG falls here, if the LOG from here, if it falls here, wherever it will be inside the base of support. If the line of gravity is inside the base of support, the stability will be more. So only point is line of gravity out of BOS. If the line of gravity out of BOS, then there is no stability or less stability. If the line of gravity within the base of support, then stability will be more. That's it. Okay. So these are two other examples for stability. First point we are going to see here. You will see. Suppose a person is there. He is having large base of support. He is bending this and he is moving his upper body. He is not moving his lower body. What it means? Base of support is stable. Only upper body is moving in sideways. If he is moving in this side direction, center of gravity will be here. It will come into like this. Line of gravity will fall between the base of support. Suppose if he move into this direction, this gravity will shift here. Then again line of gravity will be within the base of support. So that if the base of support is within the, if the line of gravity is within the base of support, the stability will be more. Here one more variation. This is a punching bag. Punching bag is in front of shopping malls. Some ways they will keep simply to play. It will move like this, but again it will come to same place. This is a, see, Now we are saying this is position number 1. This is the normal position. This is position number 2. This is position number 3. This is position number 3. So what it means, from here it can move into this direction. Again it can come back into this direction. From here it can move into this direction and it can come back into this direction. It can come back into this direction. So this is one object. So forget about this two. This is one object. This is one object. Punching object. Punching bag. This is one object. Here center of gravity will be somewhere here. Center of gravity should be somewhere here. Why? Because the center of gravity will be where is the more weight of object, there center of gravity will be there. So center of gravity will be here. So even though it is going that side, again how it is coming backward. So now you see this punching bag down, they are going to fill this down punching bag with the sand. Punching bag with the sand. They mix it with the sand. The remaining portion is full of air only. Is full of air. Full of air. It will be air. So if you observe the center of gravity of the object will be somewhere here. Center of gravity of the object will be somewhere here. From here, this is the suppose surface. This is suppose surface. So center of gravity will be here. Line of gravity will be here. Line of gravity will be here. So what is the point here? I am saying, if the center of gravity of the object is very close to the base of support, then here also stability will be more. So if it goes this or this whatever, again it may come back to its position, because down it is only filled by sand, here it is filled by the air only. Actually the base of the object will be down. It won't change. It will change this direction. Only half portion, remaining half portion will be here only. It will come back to normal position. Okay.